Get your heart found you. Girl, I like being around you. Feel like Kanye, I'm bound to. Shawty, if you down, I'm down to. Yeah, I found you. Shawty, like being around you. Feel like Kanye, I'm bound to. Shawty, if you down, I'm down to.
On September the 1st, 1945, there was a call to simultaneously raise the red and white flag throughout Indonesia. In Surabaya on 18 September 1945, Dutch troops under Mr. Bookman raised the Dutch flag red, white, blue at the Yamato Hotel without Republic Indonesia consent. The next day on September the 19th, 1945, Surabaya youths gathered who were furious at the re-raising of the Dutch flag.
President Sudirman, who at that time was the regional president of Surabaya, came to Sudirman Hotel and found a crowd. President Sudirman, along with Siddiq and Haryono, then entered Yamato Hotel and asked Mr. Bookman to lower the flag. They refused the request and a fight ensued, leading to Mr. Bookman pulling out a gun.
Mr. Bookman also took out his gun, and the four of them fought in the fight. Mr. Bookman was strangled by Siddiq, but Siddiq also died because he was shot by a Dutch soldier.
It's better together.
Sudirman and Haryono also came out outside. There were many young people who wanted the hotel to be able to tear the flag. Haryono was involved with Kusno Wibowo and they succeeded in shaking and tearing the flag.
On October the 25th, 1945, the Allied forces Netherlands, East Indies, or AFNI, landed in Tanjung Perak, Surabaya. The arrival of AFNI was led by Brigadier General Malabi. The group also included Dutch soldiers and Ambon soldiers who sided with the Dutch. In general, AFNI task was to accept surrender and try war criminals and maintain the status quo until further negotiation took place. AFNI arrival in Indonesia had to do deal with the newly independent Indonesian state.
Initially, AFNI's arrival was welcome in order to attract Allied sympathy so that Indonesia's independence was
I
recognized.
promise to have discussion
AFNI,
about
brought by
this.
General Sir Philip Christison, accepted the offer of cooperation. Sir Philip Christison promised to hold discussion on this matter. However, AFNI's arrival aroused suspicion of intruders from Nika.
Tomorrow we attack Kaliasov prison so that the Dutch colonizer will be free.
On the second day of the landing, AFNI attacked Kaliasov prison. They released the Dutch prisoner held by the Surabaya youth. The attack on Kaliasov prison on October the 27th, 1945, angered the youth and they attacked the British troop post under AFNI.
An intense battle took place at Wonokromo Bridge on October 30, 1945. A.W.S. Malabi was killed, who was involved in the conflict between Surabaya and AFNI.
Oh no, come visit. The dogs attacked.
Well, that's who is it. Let's kill General Malabi.
Whoa, it is General Marabikar. Where is the grenade?
Let's spread the ultimatum so that the Surabaya God asks us for meat and the mass. Come to us no later than November 10 and spread the leaflet using the airplane.
There is justice that man who makes problems here who is told to fear no need to get about it. Let's attack, we must remember the origin of Islam.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Merdeka! Brother and sister, the common people throughout Indonesia, especially and sister of the city of Surabaya, brother and sister. In the past battles, we have all those show that the Indonesian people in Surabaya, young men from the Moluccas, young men from the Sulawesi, young men from Bali, young men from Kalimantan, young men from all over Sumatra, the young of Aceh, the young of Tapanuli, and all the Indonesia young here in Surabaya in their own troops, we the people trapped from it in the village have so an unbreakable defense, have so a stress so that they are pinned down everywhere. Believe me, brother, good will protect us all. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, freedom.
After the battle intensified, there was a slogan Merdeka or Death. The peak began on November 10, 1945 until 2 weeks later, November 28, 1945, the Battle of Surabaya occurred. This battle claimed at least 20,000 casualties from Surabaya and 1,500 from the Allies. In addition, an estimated 150,000 people left Surabaya.